Hey guys, Chef Anthony Marino here, Don's Appliances corporate chef. I'm here at the Robinson Experience Center. Today, I'm talking about the Jenn Air Wall Oven. We're gonna go over the Culinary Center. We're gonna do beef. Now, use the roast probe for it. Guys, what you wanna do is we're gonna put it right in the thickest part. The beef setting will go through a ton of different steps. It'll give you the internal cooking temperature, and in Jenn Air's Culinary Center, it'll give you some extra features. Which pan, just different roast settings, just to make it plug and play for you, nice and easy for your roast. All right guys, in the Jenn Air Wall Oven, we're gonna click Upper Oven, right? We're gonna go right to the Culinary Center, Jenn Air's preloaded recipes. We're gonna go right to roasts. We're gonna select round roast. We're gonna click next. It's gonna give us options of our cooking doneness, so we can go all the way to well, to medium, to rare, and you see in the picture the doneness. So if you're not sure, say I like it this way, you can see it right here. We're going with medium. Okay. Next, it'll select our pan. Even if we want to use a disposable, it'll adjust the airflow for that. Okay. Broiling pan is the one we're using today, so we'll hit next. It'll give us an overview of what we're doing. We're doing a round roast. It's going to cook to medium, 150 degrees. It'll show us where it's located in the oven, what rack to put it on. Okay. We'll scroll down. It'll tell us where the temperature is, when the cooking's complete, and also where to put it in the roast probe if you're not very sure on that. It'll give you 3 steps on that one, and it'll tell us at the end to let it rest 10 to 15 minutes. So real good housekeeping tip right there. All right, we're gonna open the oven door. We're gonna pop our roast in. We're gonna plug it right in, spin this guy around. We're gonna plug our roast probe right in, okay? All right guys, this is what we wanna see here. Our target probe temp is 150 degrees. We're doing round roast at 325. The probe's internal temp is 78 degrees. Once it hits 150, it'll beep and then go to a keep warm setting so it won't overcook. All right guys, our internal temperature for our probe's been reached. The oven's down to keep warm. Let's open it up and take it out. Unplug the probe right here. Pop it on our tray, it gets hand washed. Roll it out, all crispy and good on the sides. This one's ready to go.